All right, guys, I am at the Teba booth. These are Turkish cook stoves, so this is pretty cool. This is one of the most unique products I've seen. It actually has the ability to burn pellets and cordwood inside the firebox, and it runs on electricity as well. So this cooktop here in your baking oven are going to be able to run off of pellets and wood, and then this cooktop is actually electricity. So you would be able to cook in the summertime if you wanted to do that without producing any heat into the stove. And then this particular model is central heating. So hydronic model for radiant and floor, baseboard, wall radiators, and domestic.